Hi, this little steam engine is my first ever build of an engine. It's a very small single-acting oscillator steam engine, which is about the simplest kind of steam engine you can get, so it's an appropriate place to start for a beginner like myself. It's based on a design by Steve of Steve's Workshop, and his website URL is in the description below, and he gives a very nice simple guide and plans for making an engine of this type. I've taken his basic layout in terms of the dimensions and the mechanical system of the engine, but I've added a few visual aspects of my own and a few touches here and there in terms of running. I won't go into the details of that. First of all, I'll show you the engine on its first run, or one of its first runs on a compressor. Now this is a kind of battery charger power pack type thing with a compressor added, so it doesn't have a reservoir, so forgive the noise, which is unavoidable because the pump's on all the time. I'll throw a towel or something over it to try and deaden it a bit, but the main noise that you'll hear is that. So here we go. And now we have the engine's first run on live steam. This is running on a 3-inch boiler that I built last year. It's not quite finished yet, but it's up to a functional standard now. Anyway, you'll see that the engine, it seems to leak a fair bit of steam. When the steam first hits it and it's cold, a lot of it condenses into water, so it's quite a wet kind of affair. That once it heats up, it steams better, but there's quite a bit of steam coming out from round where the ports are behind the cylinder. I'm not sure whether I need to do a wee bit more finessing on that, or whether it will just wear itself in, or whether that's kind of normal. But if you have any views about that, please let me know, because it's a learning curve for me. Anyway, here we go on live steam for the first time. Thanks for watching. So, having successfully tested it on air, we're now trying it with live steam on the 3-inch boiler that I built last year. There's other videos on that on my channel. Today we're running it on gas, you can see, but there are other fuel options as well, which we'll try in the future. But let's just see how it goes. It's a little bit breezy today, but not too bad. I'm hoping the gas flame will override that. So I'm just going to have a cup of tea and sit back and wait for steam to be raised. Here we are, running on live steam, at last. The fruits of over a year's endeavours. Oh, it's running out as well. What's happening here? Whoop. Well, there's a couple of things need to be tweaked there, but it runs, which is great. Live steam, yeah, beauty.